What is a neural network? Today, computers are being used by everyone in businesses, in education, in medical, and many more. But sometimes, a result that the computer was providing does not fulfill us or it does not give what we want and even break us. So many manufacturing of computer industries like Dell, Apple, Bio are trying to create a computer that has the ability to think like human. Speaking of thinking, we should understand first how does the human brain think and work. Just like computers, they will take input from the user and the computer will perform a task and produce output. In our brain, there are the tiniest components that make us think and does right things. These are special things called neurons. Our brains have billions of these neurons. They talk to each other using electrical impulses to create what they call synapses. This mass of synapses is responsible in making our brain think and do right things. So most of the inventors try to create a computer that performs the same like the brain, and it is what they call neural network.
To understand neural networks, here's a simple example that uses a neural network. First, we choose to log in Yahoo Mail. Second, enter the email address with the corresponding password. In the other side of the transaction, the system of Yahoo Mail will check if the password you entered is correct. If the system of Yahoo Mail finds the pattern or recognizes the password and it matches with the password that is saved in their database, the system will let you log on in their system. If the password is incorrect, a message will prompt that the password is invalid. There you go. That is how neural network is applied in the logging in of email address. Credit card. What is a credit card? A credit card is a payment card issued to users as a system of payment. It allows the cardholder to pay for goods and services based on the holder's promise to pay for them. The issuer of the card creates a revolving account and grants a line of credit to the customer from which the user can borrow money for payment to a merchant or as a cash advance. Once the customer or the applicant gives all the requirement, the credit card issuer will give the credit card and agreement. If the customer already got the credit card, he can now go shopping without a cash on hand. He can use his credit card, but remind you, you should use it wisely. There are two types on how to pay using the credit card. First scenario is when you're in a shopping mall and you don't have money on hand. You can use your credit card to pay for it. The other one is when you're shopping online. You can use the credit card. The price of the item you bought will be credited in your account, and in the other hand, the payment will be sent to the seller's account. Neural network is applied to recognize the pins or the information of the owner of the credit card. Once the pins are not the same, the neural network that is integrated to it will deny transactions or cancel. So, in conclusion, the use of neural network in the credit card is to detect fraud.
Con los terroristas. the Harlem Shake.